In this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove Instagram or FB from Instagram account and how we can do this. And this is what we have to do. If you wanted to disconnect the Facebook from the Instagram account, if you feel so, and this is what we have to try. The first of all, go over here, tap on the Instagram. Now from here, go to the profile over here. Now tap on the hamburger button at the top. And from here, you have to tap on the account center. Now from here, what we need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down, and from here tap on manage accounts. And right now, as you can see, you're having these options. And from here, if you have any kind of WhatsApp is connected, so or the Facebook is connected, you can disconnect it. Not only the Facebook, you can try connecting the WhatsApp as well. So right now, as you can see, the Facebook is here. So you can go for manage. And when you tap on the Facebook, there are these kind of options here. You can go for deletion, all those things, and also you can remove it from here and you can check. And also from here, if you tap on the accounts at the top as well, this is what we have to do. From here, you can see on the profile, these are the things that is connected right now. And I can tap on the Facebook here over here. And I can also make the necessary changes if I wanted. And this is how we can change it. And I hope this cake today is helpful. That's it. Bye.